Welcome to Citizen Portal, where you can stay informed about topics that matter to you. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up alerts on Citizen Portal to receive notifications whenever your chosen topic are mentioned in government hearings and meetings. To get started, click the alerts link on the top middle portion of your screen. Key in the topic you're interested in. For example, if you're interested in climate change, simply key in the phrase climate change. In the next field, add your email if you want to be notified immediately when this topic is mentioned. Next, add other terms or variations of the topic separated by commas. For example, climate change effects, global warming, or climate action. Then select a specific locality or jurisdiction if applicable. Otherwise, just leave it to any state and then hit Add Alert. Once you've set up your alerts, you can track all the issues you care about in a dashboard like this. And there you have it. With these alerts, you can stay informed about the topics you care about. Thank you for being a part of Citizen Portal. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.